The Redmi Note 5. For a long time, we here at C4E Tech have been contradicting rumors stating the Redmi 5 Plus will be rebranded as the Redmi Note 5. Mainly because we've been hearing solid rumors about a dual camera toting Redmi Note coming out. Sadly though, both turned out to be true. The dual camera phone was a Redmi Note, but it was just the Redmi Note 5 Pro, which we are giving away by the way. And the Redmi Note 5, well, turns out it was a repackaged Redmi 5 Plus indeed. And while we've already unboxed it, maybe you missed it. Maybe because it wasn't launched in India, maybe because it wasn't called the Redmi Note 5. Either way, we've got you covered. We've got the Indian Redmi Note 5 unit here. And today in this video, let's unbox it and take a quick look. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech. If you do end up liking this video, drop us a like, get subscribed and turn on notifications. Let's now get started. So here's the box the Redmi Note 5 comes in. Some basic specs can be found to the back. Opening it up, whoa, we've got a case. I'd be happy to see this trend continue. Anyway, coming back, it's a nice flexible silicone case. Let's set it aside for the time being. And there you have it, the Redmi Note 5. Looks great. Okay, it's not like I've not seen this one before, but it's in black and you guys know I love matte black, right? The case fits quite snug. Other contents in the box include the regular papers, SAR value information, a micro USB cable. Yep, micro USB, no Type-C. Then there's a SIM ejector tool and a 5V 2A travel adapter. No quick charge support apparently. Next, let's take a closer look at the Redmi Note 5 itself. The USP or unique selling point here is that display. Xiaomi's using a 5.99-inch IPS LCD panel here. The resolution is Full HD+, so this display gives the Redmi 5 Plus, aka the Redmi Note 5, a different kind of look from the front. To the back though, it's pretty much business as usual. There's a 12-megapixel camera, a dual-tone dual LED flash, and a fingerprint scanner that works really well. Now that's followed by the Mi branding. The placements haven't really changed from the Redmi Note 4 either. The power button and volume rockers are present to the right. The 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster and secondary noise cancelling microphone can be found up top. There's a hybrid slot to the left and to the bottom. We find the primary microphone, speaker and a micro USB port. I would have really preferred Type-C. Talking about similarities with the Redmi Note 4, it doesn't end with just the build. Let's now, talk about specs. We still get the same Snapdragon 625, but 3 and 4 gig variants along with 32 and 64 gigs of storage, a 4000 mAh battery, a 100 mAh reduction from last year. Now while the 625 is a tried and tested performer, it is getting a little tiring to see Xiaomi keep reusing this chip over and over again. The camera on paper resembles the primary shooter on the Mi A1, but in reality this 12-megapixel f2.2 shooter isn't as good. At least the one on our Redmi 5 Plus wasn't. Here's a card to that full review if you wanna check it out. Anyway, Xiaomi usually tinkers around with the software for the Indian launch, so Sundar is gonna be using this phone for a bit and he will come out with a second review of sorts quite soon. Stay tuned for that. The selfie camera gets an upgrade in the form of a LED flash. So how do you think the camera is fair? Let us know in the comments below. As far as pricing goes, okay, aren't we skipping something? MIUI 9 on top of Android 7 Nougat. Well, we'd have loved to see Oreo. That hasn't happened here. As far as MIUI 9 goes, it's got a lot going for it. In fact, I'm not really going to talk about it here. Here's a card to my video where we've spoken about all the new things MIUI 9 brings with it. So do check that out for more info. So now circling right back, pricing. Well, again, since we are shooting this video before the launch, we've got the device under embargo. We don't know the launch prices. Going by the Chinese pricing, I'd expect the phones to be sold at 9999 and 12999 respectively for the 32 and 64 gig variants. Now, once we get to know the pricing, we will update that in the description, so do check that space. And while you're down there, do drop us a like, subscribe and turn on notifications, because that's pretty much it for this unboxing and hands-on. So Xiaomi is basically pitting this as a replacement for the Redmi Note 4, as in the Note 4 will not be sold once existing stocks are done and new buyers can buy this instead. So it is not supposed to be a successor to the Note 4, which I think is a little weird given that it is being called the Redmi Note 5. What Xiaomi says is, in other words, they are pitting it like how a OnePlus 5T is to the OnePlus 5 or the 3T to the OnePlus 3, and instead of a 6-month period, they are releasing it over a year. So I do have mixed feelings. I was expecting more from the Redmi Note 5, but hey, we at least got the Note 5 Pro, right? If we didn't, I'd have really been bummed out. So what do you think about the Redmi Note 5? Disappointed that the Redmi 5 Plus with the same Snapdragon 625 has been repackaged as the Redmi Note 5? Or happy to see another brand but Honor offer a 18:9 panel phone in the segment? Now, talking about Honor, do you want to see the Redmi Note 5 compared with the likes of the Honor 7X or the 9 Lite? If yes, which one would you want to see it pitted against? Again, let us know in the comments below. So thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, this here is Ash. You've been watching. Oh, yeah. If friends, family, anybody you know is interested in Xiaomi phones or buying a phone in this segment, do share this video with them. So thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, this here is Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.